Hi all, welcome. In this session, we are going to see how we can install SBT on Windows 10 SBT, which is nothing but simple build tool, which is used for Scala and Java programming languages, which is similar to Apache Maven, but it has more native support for Scala. So just we will see that how we can install in Windows. So for this, just go to website and Scala website, download this. If you're using Windows, just download the MSI file, and if you are using Linux or other operating system, just download according to that. Once you click, it will go download your required exe file. Since I already downloaded and I kept it in this folder, I have just click this file, then it will bring all the installation steps, like just click next, 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 then just finish it. Then it will complete the installation process. Once this installation process is complete, you need to set the environment variable also. Before that installation of this SBT, just make sure that you have installed Scala as well. For checking that Scala is installed or not properly, just go to website command prompt and just type Scala hyphen version. Yeah, now I have installed Scala 1 2.12 version, so you need to make sure this also before installation of SBT. Once Scala installed is done, then once you download exe file for SBT and just finish the installation of SBT, then we need to set up the environment variable for SBT. For that, go to your system variable, just edit that system variable, go to advanced tab and environment variable. As here system variables are there. Here you can make one more new entry here for SBT home. So I have already made the one entry here. So see, this is nothing but I have installed SBT in this location. So you can go and you can see here. So yeah, I've already installed in the SBT in this location only. So also we need to make entry in path also. Mm, path. So it is here. So just edit this also. So here already SBT home is there here. Then slash bin is there. So it is okay right now. So once this setup is done, just go to command prompt again. You can check the SBT version. Just for checking the SBT version, just check that, enter this SBT hyphen then version. Yeah, now it is trying to. Yeah, now it's showing that SBT version 1.3.8. So this is how we can install SBT on Windows. Thank you.